So guys, first come to this website gigabyte.com. This is officially website. Okay, then click to search button and then type your model number of motherboard B760 DS3H WiFi6E generations 5, then hit enter. Then guys, click to product. Then click to title. Click to support. Then select your operating system. I am using Windows 11, so if you are using Windows 10, so you can follow this method and install driver because installations process same. Okay, audio driver. Okay, you just see here SD audio driver and click to download. Okay, you can see after that start downloading here. I already downloaded this one 165 size. Okay, just single click. Then this is exe, and you can extract to other folder. You can, otherwise you can install directly, just double click and then click to yes. Now this is, you can see this is installing driver. So wait few seconds, it will close, means this is installed. Okay, chipset driver, you can see like that, this is driver, and just click to download. Here to downloading, just single click to open and double click to exe, then click to yes. Now this is chipset driver installing, then click to OK and then close it. LAN driver. So it is LAN driver. Click to download here. After automatically start here. Okay, one process and just open it. Double click to exe and then yes. This is LAN driver installing. Wait few seconds, it will complete. After that you close automatically. Then closed. VGA driver. Click to download. This is so heavy file. All you can see here 770 MB. Then guys, after downloaded, just open this, and you can see here this is exe file, and just double click. You can extract. After that you can install, but you can install directly. This is very simple method. Then guys, click to yes. Now this is, you can see here the extracting. Now you can see here VG driver, graphic driver is installing. So it is installing driver. Then guys, closed. Bluetooth, you can see here this is Bluetooth driver, and just click to download. After, you can see here Bluetooth driver install download, then just single click to install. This is exe, just double click to open, then click to yes. Now you can see here the extracting to Bluetooth driver for the installation. Wait few seconds, it will complete, so automatically close it. Then it is closed, means done. Then Wi-Fi driver, so this one latest one, always try to install latest. Okay, click to download, start downloading. So it is complete, just single click and then double click to open. Then click to yes. Now you can see here the extract data and ready to installing. Wi-Fi, Intel Wi-Fi driver, and then close it, and then done. So on this Wi-Fi driver is installed, and then close it.